Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, no, that sucks. Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to shoot a cinematic video with an action camera. And this is the sequence that we are going to be shooting. Nanaj, I'm doing this handstand for you. This is to my subscriber of the week for all of the amazing comments and feedback. It's not the bench, but you know, we have even better play. It's a hard one for this weight. I always move over. One more. So guys, what did you think of that little sequence right there? If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up and give it a big like. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe and also hit the bell notification. Hit the bell! Hit that bell notification because it will notify you every single time I upload a new video and you don't miss a beat. And yeah, I hope everybody's doing good, everybody's happy, everybody is creating and learning something. And in the meantime, let's just go over to the shoot because right now we're going back in time because it is 6 a.m. Barcelona and we're heading to the beach. Vamos. First shot guys, first shot. So anywhere if you guys can see like water or you can see anything, it's gonna make this shot just boss it up because it's gonna be a bit of reflection. So I'm just gonna place it here and we're gonna bike through. We're gonna bike through and get it. We're on a race against time because look, the sun is like rising. It's like Dios, God is in there. Okay guys, so the next shot that we're gonna get, I'm gonna do a close-up of my hand running through the sand like this. And the cool thing about using a action cam or a GoPro to make the cinematic footage is that they have really good built-in stabilizers, well most of them, so have a look, I'll show you what I mean. Okay guys, the next shot that's going to bring your videos to life, you need some people. So I just asked these guys here if I can take a short little video of them and they said yes. Gracias. This is actually how I started. I started shooting these videos with a GoPro before I even got a camera. So it was like phone, GoPro, camera, and for 2 years I was using this baby. And I've been through a lot of cinematic shoots. We go way back. But yeah, it's a great little camera. You can get a lot of good footage. It's 4K, you can get a really good frame rate. And you can take it anywhere, you can take it underwater. Okay guys, so while we're editing, something really important to know is with these transitions, I like to slow it down and speed it up at certain points. Wait for it, boom, here it comes, boom. So this just adds an impact. It looks really cool with the ball, I love that. This guy here too, when he's kicking his leg down, I like to add a little bit of impact and just speed it up. We put the earthquake in here. These footprints, we put that in there as extra. I don't know why I'm saying we. I put that in there as an extra. Reason being is because of the music. So if it's quite big, the video, you need it to add a little bit more, then you can add something there for the music. The waves too, guys, film at 120 frames per second, really important, so you can slow it down and get that super slow motion. And see here, I made all of these cuts individually because it just adds so much more, like bam, 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 when you do that. Even if it's just the blue coming through in the background, it just adds a lot more to your shoot. This part here, sound is really important. So now you can hear the dolphins and the underwater sound. The minute I come back up, I'm back to the ocean waves. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're gonna take something away from it and go out there and start shooting with what you have. If this is what you have, this baby right here, then just get into it, start shooting. Don't forget to drop me a comment to be featured for the subscriber comment of the week. And that's really it, guys. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram or send me a message. I'm always happy to help you, as probably some of you guys know already. You've been asking me questions via Instagram. So yeah, it's good to know you guys, and also just get in there, start shooting, and I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you have learned something. So see you later, guys. Hasta la próxima vez. See you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.